Yeah, so my guy, this Harsh Rao requested me to just show me how I implemented my flag. So, well, this is the ID, my flag. You get this in code in place if you. I think he is also in code in place. Let me see. Yeah, so he is also in code in place. So you're already familiar with, well, get into code, get into your own, and start creating your own project. So create a new Karel project, and well, I have already created. So I'll just show this very quickly. So this is my world that I have created. And if you go into edit world, you start editing this world. All right. There's certain problem to it. Yeah, it's buggy. Uh, it's definitely buggy. Yeah, it is. So, well, you go into edit world and oh, please stop. Yeah, so it stopped. Thank you. And I started, down up. Like my Kerala was at the down, like at the end, and it started from your drawing. So if you're starting from top, well, keep that in mind. So just fix the position of the Carol. Indian flag is mostly ratio 3:2. So this is the length three of ratios 3, and this is of ratio 2. 3:2. Length, breadth. All right. And well, that's how you edit the world. And after editing the world, you have your world. And now you can start coding. So we created our environment. Now let's start coding. So this is the main. In main function, we have just called one function called make flag, and make flag is defined over here. You can see. All right. Now this has few different stuff. Like I tried to make it less, messy and buggy, but still wasn't well avoidable. So I tried my best. So I defined make flag, and for green, because there's nothing, no sort of pattern in green, we are just printing green as usual. So I just ran it in a loop for range of 6. So what this range of 6 does, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So till here, our 6 will be, our green will be printed 6 times. All right, it will print on the first row, it will change the row, it will go to the second row, it will go to the second row, it will start printing, and for the for 6 times. So it will probably in our 6th row from the bottom. Now after that, I have implemented white. So there are 3 whites that I have declared: white 1, white 2, white 3. So yeah, and then I repeated that back again, just to simulate circle. Well, it was not actually circle, but yeah, that's what I tried making. So there's white 1. I'll show you how it looks. There's white 2 and there's white 3, and this change is a function. A function, it's same for everyone, like for green, for white, and for saffron. So here it is the saffron color. I have not even commented out. So, well, pardon me. So for saffron, we are doing for the 6 again, like white counted, it's 6, 3, and 3, it's 6. So we have 6 rows for each color. So for saffron as well, we have 6 rows. We are trying to print saffron, but there is no color as saffron declared in Karel. So we've used, well, orange. And the change function, now we can see the change function over here. So if our Karel is facing east, which means, see, east is this way, west is this way, the left wall, the east is right wall, north is, I guess, the upper wall, and the south is the lower wall. So if a Kerala, which means it is facing right now at east, at the beginning, it is facing at east. Should I zoom it in? Nah, it will not probably zoom in. But if I could show you some, well, probably. Well, just take my word. It is facing east right now, right? And when it will turn around, this face will come up over here. It will look probably upside down, turned 180 degree. Yeah. So then we'll be, where is it? We'll be running the else statement. So if it's facing east, like this one, it will be probably over here. So we will first turn left so that we face this direction. And then we will move one time, and then we'll turn left again so that it start facing this direction. And then we'll complete this row. Then we are facing right, which means this else statement. And if front is clear, it starts moving after going and changing the lane or row. So that's what it does. Turn right is something that, well, we have to implement for Karel, because it only knows how to move forward. Just move, no backwards. It only knows how to turn left, and well, few different things. In docs, you can see all the commands that you can run with a Karel. These are the conditions that are there. All right. So I've used these conditions: facing east over here. And else, like, I could have written facing west, but why, don't write two conditions if you can just get one condition and one for free. I do that most of the time. Now turn right. Yeah, it's probably easy. Now saffron. So this is something that I found out at the end over here. Paint corner. So I've tried painting corner and, well, it works. So we paint a corner. Corner is something, these dots, each of these dots are a corner. Like if we go into edit world, see, each of these blocks are a corner. All right. So that's what it did. We painted a corner. If we are saying, paint saffron, we'll be painting orange, which will be at the top. And, well, it is on a while loop, because if front is clear, like if it is facing this direction and front is clear until it faces the wall, so it paints the whole corner in orange, and at the end it goes at the end, and, well, front is not clear, so it suddenly doesn't even paint it, so it remains like an empty corner. But we want to paint it orange or some sort of color, so we have to get out of this while loop and say paint this corner also, and we paint it whichever color we want. Now I've defined white. Well, I played with certain ratios. This is not something you can grasp directly, but I played with certain ratios like 12, 12 and 3. If you add it, it becomes 27, and we have 27. See? So this is, the length. This is the breadth. So 18 is the breadth. So we have divided 18 into 3 colors: saffron, white, and green. Each color is taking 6. What is this? Breadth. All right. This is length, and, well, I tried it, implemented. So for I, that is for range, like halfway up there, we are printing white, and after that I've painted blue, because there's Ashok Chakra in our flag, and after that we again painted white. So halfway there we start painting blue, and after it paints the blue, we start painting white again. Now I copied and pasted this code again, but this ratio of 12 is to 3 is to 12 just changed. It became 11 is to 5 is to 11. But if you add it up again, it is also 27. Just remember that. Why is it 27? Well, I've shown you. This is, hey, it is 27. All right. Same with white 3, just changed, bit more of a ratio of 10 is to 7 is to 10. That's it. The same commands, nothing changed. Now define green. Now it paints the green exactly as saffron, but just the color changed. And that's it. We run the main. As simple as that. And if we run it, this is how it works. And it looks amazing when it starts working. See. So I tried, first with ratio of 1, 13 is to 1 is to 13, but it didn't look like a circle. This is very close to a circle, a very pixelated sort of circle. If we, increased both the corners, or sort of decreased the length of the corner, but increased the length and width of the whole damn canvas, we could have easily, created or simulated a circle. But again, that would have been too complex, and the ratios and all. So yeah, this is my implementation. Thank you for noticing. I appreciate it. Thank you.